Holy Judicial Branch. Welcome back to the Daily Whaley. I don't know if you're following Operation Twitter Storm, questioning the authority of the courts to temporarily halt the executive order. Then the internet was broken. No, not by Kim Kardashian. I haven't heard a lot about her recently. I guess that means we're headed one step in the right direction, but I digress. Twitter and Facebook and all the media outlets all blew up with people either applauding the court or cursing the courts. Therefore, I bring forth a case in which we will answer 3 questions, and it will be up to you to be both the judge and the jury. Article 3, Section 1 and 2 states,
The judicial power of the United States shall be vested in one Supreme Court and in such inferior courts as the Congress may from time to time ordain and establish. Section 2 goes on to say, the judicial power shall extend to all cases in law and equity arising under the Constitution, the laws of the United States, and treaties made or which shall be made.
Courts explicitly get their power from the Constitution, and they are given the authority to holding the president accountable and making sure that executive orders that are written are within the confines of our Constitution.
Oh, here come the judge! Here come the judge!
Washington State sued federal government. That means that this case gets pushed into the federal court system. The first court it starts in is called the U.S. District Court. Judge Roberts did not overturn the executive order. He simply halted the implementation of it pending further judicial review. Trump's administration disagreed with that ruling. That means it gets kicked to the next court, to the court above it, which is the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals. These courts are divided into geographic or regional circuits that sit throughout various spots throughout the country. If you look at a map, then you see that the U.S. District Court in Washington, where the original case was heard, is in the Ninth Circuit Court region. This is not a trial court. They are reviewing the legality of the last ruling. So was Judge Roberts within the judicial authority to place a halt on this ban? The circuit courts generally have a panel of 3 judges. So in this instance, the 3 judges determined that Judge Roberts was correct in his ruling and that his ruling would stand. Should Trump's administration wish to further appeal this case, it will then go to the Supreme Court. So it went through the U.S. District Court because it started in that state. Then it goes to the circuit courts. Now it will be kicked up to the Supreme Court.
And that's what we call checks and balances.
To be a federal court judge, you have to be nominated by a president and then confirmed by the Senate. There's Judge James Roberts.
He was nominated by George W. Bush and confirmed unanimously by the Senate. Judge Richard Clifton, nominated by George W. Bush and confirmed unanimously by the Senate. Judge Michelle Friedland, nominated by Barack Obama, confirmed by the Senate with a 56 to 41 vote. And then Judge Canby was nominated by Jimmy Carter and confirmed by the Senate in 1980.
Check number 2 on the power of the judiciary is, should they deem something to be unconstitutional, Congress can go in and create another law working around that. Congress has the power to impeach. Holy Judicial Branch.